Today I'm unboxing a new set of battery terminals for my car. I chose this style because they use screw-type wire mounting and allow multiple wire connections in a cleaner way. They look clean and aesthetic under the hood, and the colored plastic spacers make it easy to instantly identify positive and negative terminals. The materials and finish look decent overall, although they don't really feel premium. One possible downside is the smaller contact area with the battery posts, so proper installation is very important. The new terminals are now installed and the engine bay already looks much cleaner and more organized. The additional wiring for the LPG system and custom DRLs is now connected much more neatly without the usual mess around the battery. When installing terminals like these, it's important to clean the old contacts properly, make sure the terminals fit tightly, and securely tighten all connections. The previous terminals served for many years, but over time they became worn out and less practical because of all the additional wiring.